First, we discussed marriage ads, exclusively marriage ads, matrimonial ads. Now we see again commercial ads. This is part of mass media. So cultural values spread through ads very fast and to a wider population. Now this time we will talk about commercial ads. Marketing of all types of products and services, products, food, beverages, drinks, etc., clothes, and services, medical facility, hospitals, etc., schools, colleges, is done through print and electronic ads. So marketing of these things are done through print and electronic advertisement. The most prominent feature of many of these ads is woman. If you just sit before television at the peak hours, just from 8 to 9 o'clock at night, you can imagine that almost in 99% of the ads, woman dominates. The ads are regularly shown during peak hours, and this is the time when the whole family watches the TV. Ads are also a powerful source of promoting as well as challenging gender stereotyping and social expectations. Remember, we have said repeatedly in our modules on popular culture and its products, whether we talked about fairy tales, nursery rhymes, and TV plays and movies, etc. Everywhere we said that all these products of popular culture and mass media, they have double function. They represent stereotypes, they create stereotypes, and they also challenge stereotypes. This is what I am emphasizing here. Some commercials are shared with you to prove this point. See, one expectation is that a woman should be beautiful, and this ad is of a beauty cream. If you see it at television, here the woman says, लड़कियों को खूबसूरत होना चाहिए, like this. So it is direct message about woman's beauty as a social expectation. Ads are also a powerful source of promoting and challenging stereotyping and social expectations. They can, because they are repeated and they are popular, they are part of mass media, so they support stereotyping, and at the same time they are also used for challenging, for resisting stereotypes. Some messages from TV commercials advertising different products of cosmetics and things like that, they can prove my point. For example, we see some ads of beauty creams. In all of these ads, women are shown looking very attractive and very beautiful after using the creams. So it gives the message that women should be careful about their beauty, and this is a gender stereotype, because for social acceptability, women should look beautiful. Another thing is long hair, and you know that especially in matchmaking, this is a plus point. This is, in words of Purdue, this is a cultural capital for a girl, that she is attractive, and especially she has long hair. And these days, if we see these commercials, even people who want acceptability in some good and attractive job, they need to have long hair. They should look attractive. So they are a sign of acceptability. Then we see lots of advertisements of clothing, summer collection, winter collections, and everywhere in when these products are advertised, you see women are present in such outlets, and they are buying clothes. It looks that clothing, foods, and things like that, they are favorite things for women, and this is also a gender stereotype. Males usually don't take interest in such activities, in such things. Another type of ad which we see these days on TV, they are about universities and campuses. And here we see that co-ed campuses are shown to show that this campus is culturally diverse, and they don't have any gender discrimination. The environment of the campus is woman friendly, so girls are secure in these campuses. So they are also a kind of advertisement, and they convey a gender stereotype, and they also at the same time challenge the gender stereotype of segregation. Women work is often invisible. There are some ads, especially those ads in which we see women working in farms with their husbands, and this is a common scene in these advertisements, and they give a message that women contribute to the work in farms with their husbands, but there is no recognition of their work, so they remain, and their contribution remain most of the time unrecognized. This is also an attitude of society, agricultural society, that is communicated through such ads. So we conclude that commercial ads project stereotypes about women, the biased views about women. Ads reinforce gender roles assigned by social order. Social order means culture. They should help husbands. Messages like this are communicated. These are the stereotypes. They should help husbands. They should tend children. They should take care of their breakfast and everything. They should dress them up for schools, and we see all these things in these ads. They should look beautiful and attractive.